Watch me. You. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with this full face of glowy natural makeup. So I decided to go ahead and do a brown smoky eye just because I don't think I've done one on my channel, and I feel like I'm giving y'all like really early fall vibes, but it's okay. Like, y'all know I'm coming back with a neon look. So today's video I used the one and only Sistar cosmetics, and you guys can tell I already almost killed myself trying to show y'all this box. But here's the box they sent me, and it is full of a full face worth of makeup. So if you guys want to watch me, you know it. They basically sent me a full face worth of makeup, so I'm going to be putting the things in this box to use today. So if you guys want to watch me do a full face using Sistar cosmetics, then make sure you guys keep watching. Why didn't I say all of that while I was holding the box? So I did my eyebrows off camera because she sent me a black eyebrow pencil, and I was like, girl, I would have used it, but it's black. I know I can't use black for my eyebrows, so I decided to go ahead and do them off camera. But she also sent me a brow kit, but I am not a fan of powders, and this is for people who prefer more of a natural eyebrow. My eyebrows, I don't know, they're kind of natural, but more natural than this is what I mean when I say a natural eyebrow. But the brow kit does have a dark shade, a lighter shade, and it has some highlighting shades, and it also has a brow wax. And it comes with this really cute half angle brush, half spoolie. That is so cute. So I think I'm gonna do something light on the eyes. So I'm gonna take this concealer, the Skin Perfecting HD concealer in the shade Bronze, and I'm gonna use that to prime my eyelids. This concealer is very lightweight. Even though it is lightweight, it's super full coverage. But I'm gonna take these. I'm trying to see which one I want to use. So they sent me two eyeshadow palettes, Sunkissed and Pink Blossom. I think I'm gonna use Sunkissed and do like something really soft on the lids. I think I'm gonna dip into this dark brown shade first. And then I'm going to take the orange looking shade. I'm thinking about just keeping my eyelids like this, but at the same time, I was looking at these glow glitters they sent me. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, and I'm really thinking about going for this bronze color at the top, or it's called rose gold. So I'm really thinking about going in rose gold and putting that on my eyelid, but at the same time, I don't really know. I kind of want to keep it like this. So I'm going to take this color right here instead of doing a shimmery color. So I went ahead and applied my lashes. I'm going to take the Skin Smoothing Primer. Also, of course, some Sistar Cosmetics. And I'm going to be applying this all over my face. Well, I can't wait to see how this is going to do with my smile lines, because y'all know I be telling y'all my smile lines crease so bad. So she sent me 4 different foundation options, but I think bronze, which is this one right here, is closer to my skin color. This one's a little bit too pink, and you guys can tell that these two are way too dark for me. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the shade Bronze. Weightless, long wearing. So I don't know if it's supposed to be full coverage or not, but I guess we'll see. I'm just gonna use a flat foundation brush to blend everything out. So with this, it doesn't feel thick, but it feels kind of thick, I guess, kind of like butter in a way. So with this, it's better if you literally just pat it instead of like, you don't want to swipe it or anything. I don't know what it is about this ring light, but literally ever since I had this and I do my foundation, I look a completely different color. So I let it sit to see if it will oxidize, and to me it still doesn't perfectly match my neck. I don't know if it's really the foundation or if it's my lighting. I'm gonna take the one I showed y'all that I thought was too pink and kind of swatch it on my neck and see if it matches, because I don't know what's going on. And this was in the shade 10. That's not it. That one's too light, like I thought. So I do intentionally, I think I told you this before, but I intentionally avoid like my temple area. But I took it and blended it down into my neck just to see if it would match. And it looks great from the front, but it looks fine. You know what? Anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish my face and hope that everything comes together like it did in my last video. So for concealer, she sent me 3 options. I have ivory, brownie, and bronze. So I'm gonna take bronze and mix it with a little bit of ivory. I like this color, but I'm not really sure how I'm feeling it when it comes to my neck. It's actually really pretty. It's actually the undertone that I usually go for anyway. I'm really convinced it's this light, but just send me over there translucent powder, and I'm kind of scared to use this because I'm really scared of white powders. So the white powder kind of made my face come on along, if that makes sense. This is my first time using all of one brand, and it actually looks really good. I have a contour palette. I look a little ghosty, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure y'all see that, but I'm hoping after we set our face that goes away. So I'm gonna take probably this shade right here and use that one to contour. Let's see how that just blends together. So before I finish my face, I'm going to take this eyeliner, the Ultimate Define Gel Eyeliner. So I'm going to take this Glow Glitter in shade Rose Gold, and it's like a liquid eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to take some of that and just put it in the inner corner of my eyes. So I also have this Lit and Glow palette. Okay, but where is it? Oh, this one ain't got no mirror in it. I'm looking stupid still. Looking stupid. I'm gonna set my face real quick. I'm gonna use their setting spray, of course. I'm not gonna lie. So I've been using this, as you can clearly see. It's already almost half gone, but I will tell you guys, this stuff does have a fragrance to it. So if you do have sensitive skin, I'm not sure if it would break you out or not. I hope it wouldn't, but my skin, I can pretty much use anything on my skin and it not break me out. But like I said, it does have a very perfumey smell, but I love this setting spray. I do like this because it makes me look soft. You'll see once it dries, but it just gives me a really soft finish. Sistar Cosmetics, y'all have done it. Yeah, completely bought me, sold me, what's the word? I'm gonna take this lip liner, the Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner in the shade Earthly Brown. I just wanted to show you guys these lip crayons she sent me too. So which one of these y'all think I should use? This is not something I would just wear out. I would have to put this on top of some lip gloss, so I'm gonna take this off right quick. I'm mad because now I gotta take off my lip liner too. I just took that off and I just ended up putting on some regular lip gloss. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. Let me know if you guys also want to see me do more videos where I do my whole face, because I really like it. It just makes the video look a little different because you guys actually get to see me transform. So if you guys want to see more full face videos, then let me know. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna say that anyway because y'all low-key been asking me for that for a while, so it's kind of my fault. I'm just not doing it. Huge thank you to Sistar Cosmetics for sending me this box. Really have fun creating this look for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys check out Sistar Cosmetics. I will link everything down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.